we'll be using meguiar's heavy duty restoration kit. Get our masking tape. Alright, see that? In the area. 1000 grit water. We're not even needed the applicator. There we go. Down again. Get our 3000 grit. Got it down. Spray it down. Now, let it frost. Let's get our polish. Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Way gooder. I like it. Okay, compared to that one, not bad at all. This guy. Slightly. That's it. It was way better than it was before. Look at that. Not bad at all. Alright, so that is how we use the meguiar's headlight restore on a Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Pretty simple. Process took about, what, 45 minutes. And we're back in the running. The reason why we did it is because the lenses, headlights, and the fog lights were pretty much sandblasted from driving in the winter. Now we're back up. If you wanted to, you could do another session, but we're gonna let this thing dry for a cure for 24 hours, as I mentioned, and then maybe in 2 weeks we'll do it again. But this is how you do it. And if you wanted to do it again, well, go ahead. Anyways, thanks for watching, and watch another video. Here's another one. All right, peace.